In this video, I will show you how to add an end screen on YouTube. So if you want to add an end screen to your YouTube video, just go to studio.youtube.com and find the video you want to add an end screen to. For example, I'll select this one, so go and click Details right there. And then in the left menu, you want to go to Editor. And then from there, click Get Started. Now here you can see end screen, so click plus. Now you can apply a template such as one video, one subscribe, two videos, or any of these other ones, or you can create something yourself. Now I'll just do one video, one subscribe, so I'll select this one. And then you can see right here, it has already added it. Now you can change how long it is for, so you can decrease the amount of time if you want. And then if you want to, for example, change the video, you can see right now it's set to video best for viewer. They can also choose a specific video, or you can choose to use your most recent upload. So after editing it, go and click save. And then as you can see at the end of the video, you will then have the end screens. So you can see if I go to this video and now go to the end, I now have the end screens right here. So that's how to add end screens on YouTube. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.